Now we can discuss about room pressure control. So the first type of room pressure control is class N, which is negative pressure isolation rooms. So here this is the figure of negative pressure isolation room. So the purpose of this room is that the air cannot flow from more contaminated area to the less contaminated area. So here you see, this is a patient room, uh, or we can say that this is an isolated room, and here you see this is also a enter room, this is patient room, and this is a corridor. And here you see D, this D is basically the door, and this is the door from where air enter. So this is the exhaust duct, B and C are exhaust duct, and A is basically supply duct. So now we can create negative pressure. Here you see double sign, double minus mean negative pressure, more negative, and this is an enter room, which act as an airlock. So between, this is a basically room between patient room and main corridor. So here we see we can supply air A to this patient room, and we can also supply a D air. Here you see this is D air. This air come from main corridor to this enter room, and from this enter room this air is moved toward patient room. And this is the exhaust where we can B is also the exhaust, the air, we can exhaust air from patient room, and C is exhaust, we can exhaust air from this enter room. So A plus D, the both supply air equal to B plus C. So we can supply more air, we can exhaust more air than this B room, B, which B mean that this is patient room, from patient room we can exhaust more air than the we supply. Let's suppose we can supply 20 cfm in this patient room, then we can exhaust 30 cfm from this patient room, and similarly we from outdoor we also supply uh, 20 cfm. So 10 cfm, 20 plus 10 cfm come from this enter room, and 20 plus 10 equal to 30, and similarly we can 30 exhaust. And similarly here we can supply less air, we can supply 10 cfm to this room and exhaust 15 cfm from this room. So in this way we can create more negative pressure in this patient room and less negative pressure in this enter room, and this is the main corridor. So this enter room act as a airlock medium for patient room and corridor. So the contaminant cannot move from this patient room to this main corridor. So these are class and negative pressure isolated rooms.